Hi, and welcome back to the second episode in Juju's Loves. I am just going to keep it brief today and show you how my hair is looking a week and a day later. These are my curls 1 week and 1 day out. They're looking pretty good. They have still kept their form. And they're actually pretty great. So great. I was actually planning to wash my hair today and start all over and show you from top to bottom, but the curls are going so strong, I'm gonna leave them in another week. So these are what they're looking like. I'm gonna try and see if I can get some different style looks. We'll see how that goes and just kind of let you take a look. These are they. One thing I did notice is I've got a little fuzz kind of going on at my roots at the top. The bottom is fine, but my hair is kind of frizzy by nature. In the past when it's happened, I haven't minded really the frizz. Sometimes it looks fine, but the contrast between the frizz and then the curls being like this, sometimes I don't really like. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit of water and just kind of twist around the fuzz areas, each lock, to kind of tame the fuzz a little bit. Depending on the mood I'm in, sometimes it works out fine. It's actually not too bad. But you can do a wet or dry and just kind of take the loose hairs that are puffing out all over the place and showing out and just wrap the hair that's sticking out around the lock. And we're just gonna take the loose hair that's around it and gonna wrap the lock around the lock. I'm using water to kind of tighten up my roots where it's frizzy. Please note, if you want a more sleek look, you could use a light gel, the same type of gel that you would use to retwist your hair. I'm using water for a more kind of natural, just like I woke up this way and it just kind of looked good kind of look. There's a fine line between enough water and too much water. Your curls will disappear with too much water. They will fall completely and go back to your hair's normal state. But sometimes just a little bit of water can help to stretch the curls out and make them elongate or give them kind of a little refresher, make them look a little bit fresher. I tend to use water when I want to lengthen my curls or just make it look a little more moist. Since it's been rolled up for so long, it's been a little dry, so I tend to add a little water. You can also use edge control here, where I've used water and kind of tighten up your edges if that's what you're interested in doing. I often kind of like just the more natural look, so I'm just adding a little bit of oil to my roots and to my hair as well. This is a peppermint oil from a young entrepreneur at the time. Well, I'm not sure how old she is now, but when I found out about this product, she was, I think, maybe in high school. I'll post a link in my bio as well so you can find out more about this oil. But I'm using just a little bit of oil to kind of give my hair a little bit of shine as I play with it. Note, you can separate your curls. You can play with them. There's a lot more you can do with them. They will completely last until you wet them. It's up to you. And this is all I got for you today. These are my curls 1 week and 1 day in. Couldn't wash them out just yet. This is it. This is my hair. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Juju's love. The Juju's love. The Juju's loves.